Welcome. In front of me is ACER TravelMate P2, and in this video I will show you how to enable an on-screen keyboard on this laptop. So if you have access to your physical keyboard, or maybe you have an external keyboard connected to your device, you can use a combination of 3 keys: Windows, Ctrl and O buttons. After pressing them, you will see this on-screen keyboard on your display. It's adjustable. You can move the sides and corners of it to adjust its size and shape. It also has a numpad, as you can see. And if you want to open it from settings, then go to the start menu, then go settings, then open accessibility, scroll down to the keyboard, open the keyboard menu, and here switch the toggle to the right next to on-screen keyboard feature, and you will enable the very same on-screen keyboard. But if you want to have access to the on-screen keyboard all the time and not have to enter the settings for it, you have to go to personalization, then select taskbar, and then next to touch keyboard feature, change the value to always. Then you can close the settings and you will see this touch keyboard icon on your status bar. If you click on it, it will enable the touch keyboard on your screen, and you can use it just like the previous one, except for it's not adjustable and it doesn't have a numpad, but still you can use it with your mouse, and it's a pretty convenient feature if you don't have access to your physical keyboard, of course. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.